Mullen, y Seintiau Newydd yn mynd i hun! Insel!
We've got a huge game on Friday night. You know, we've got to treat it and we've got to play it as a game of football and trust the process, trust what we've done over the last 10 games where we've been very good on our own patch. You know, we've won 9 games, we've drawn 1. You know, our home record's phenomenal. And as I've said to the players, you know, it's going to take a very good team to come and beat us because we're in a rich vein of form.
The players step up to it. They know the importance of the game. They know Connah's Cei are our closest rivals. It's you know, it's been a topsy-turvy season where we've been top, then we've been taken off the top, but it took us a while to get top of the league as well. So, yeah, really big game for us Friday. We're all looking forward to it, and you know, the players are raring to go really.
Mae'n gêm enfawr, os maen nhw'n ennill, maen nhw'n mynd 4 yn glir a efo dim ond 7 gêm neu beth bynnag sydd ar ôl, bydd o'n anodd i cael nôl, ond da ni gorfod bod yn barod a da ni'n paratoi yn iawn heddiw allan formations gwahanol, ond bydd bawb yn barod.
Fel arfer yn y 10 gêm dwytha maen nhw'n mynd â Cirwn i gyd. So wedi colli'r gêm gyntaf a ildio'r gêm ail. Mae'n lot o hyder i ni mynd ymlaen, cos da ni wedi curo 2 gyntaf. A ar y funud swn i allan yn gallu dweud bod da ni yn ffeifio yna.
Not that we needed any more motivation, but if we did, it's definitely give us that. A loss and a draw to start off with, not what we used to, as you said about the split. So yeah, it's give us that little bit of a push and slap in the faces, get ourselves together.
I said it earlier in the season on a couple of occasions that TNS will win the league. You know, they're so far ahead of everybody else in infrastructure, in history. Their budget's over double what everybody else is in this league. So there's no way any of us should be competing against them. And I think that showed. You know, like I said, when Craig was the manager there, they're 25 points clear. Now they're 1 point behind us. So, you know, something's changed there vastly.
Is there another title coming here at the end of the season?
For me, absolutely. Why would I say anything different? Been here, done it before. Yes, we're being pushed, but I think these 8 games now, hopefully will show the real TNS and will show us in a good light and be winners again in April.
Bydd o'n gwahanol chwarae'r glaswell ar dy Wener, a dwi'n siŵr bydd mae'r gwair heb di torri yn iawn, mae'n wedi gwneud o blaen, so na, da ni just got to bod on top in game a dwi'n siŵr bydd yn iawn.
The pitch will be in the best condition it can be in at this time of year, as it always is. And, you know, we'll look forward to what will be a terrific test of character, strength and desire to win, you know, and like I say, may the best team win.